Most people dread the sanding phase of a project, but having the right tool can actually make it feel less like a chore and more like a satisfying finish. This V20 cordless sander from CRAFTSMAN is one of those pieces of gear that tries to bridge the gap between convenience and actual performance. Right out of the gate, the first thing you notice is the size. It's got this low-profile, compact build that feels surprisingly natural in the hand. It doesn't feel like you're wrestling a brick, which is a huge plus when you're working on vertical surfaces or trying to get into tighter corners where a bulky tool would just get in the way. Now, the real test for any sander is how it handles different materials, and that's where the variable speed dial comes into play. You can dial it anywhere from 9,000 up to 12,000 orbits per minute. It's a nice touch because you aren't stuck with one aggressive setting. If you're doing some light finish work on a delicate piece of pine, you can keep it low, but if you've got some rougher stock that needs a bit more muscle, cranking it up to the top end gets the job done pretty quickly. It's smooth too. It doesn't vibrate your arm into numbness after 5 minutes, which is a common complaint with cheaper cordless models. One detail that's easy to overlook until you're actually in the middle of a dusty workshop is the switch. It's dust-sealed, which sounds like a minor spec sheet bullet point, but it's actually a big deal for longevity. You don't want fine particles gumming up the electronics after a few months of heavy use. As for the dust collection, it comes with a standard bag, but the real winner is the 114-inch vacuum port. If you're serious about keeping your workspace clean, hooking this up to a shop vac is the way to go. It pulls most of the debris away effectively, though honestly, no sander is ever going to be 100% dust-free. If there's a downside, it's that this is a bare tool, so you'll need to have those V20 batteries already sitting on your charger. Also, because it's a 1/4 sheet sander, you're limited to that specific paper size, which is great for standard projects, but might feel a bit small if you're tackling a massive tabletop. It's not meant to replace a heavy-duty belt sander, but for general shop tasks, furniture restoration, or smoothing out edges before a coat of stain, it hits that sweet spot of being portable and capable. It's a solid, no-nonsense tool that does exactly what it promises without any unnecessary fluff. If you're already invested in the battery platform, it's a pretty easy addition to the kit that'll save you a lot of time and elbow grease.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.